To see how I styled my hair in less than 5 minutes, watch till the end. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva Anthony, and here I'll be teaching you how I style my hair in less than 5 minutes. So for the record, I just want to state that this hair is all mine. I know you might be wondering how I got my hair looking like this. Well, I had my cornrows loosened and here we are. To achieve this, I used a square shaped, more like a bandana. I'm sure almost everybody knows that, how I did this, and I used bobby pins too. So you will use your bobby pins and your bandana. You don't need so many stuff to achieve this very simple hairstyle. I'm using these bobby pins just to help me secure my hair a bit so it doesn't keep falling off and all that, even though I'm still going to use the bandana. So I'm just going to tie to secure my leftover flap. I think that's what it's called, to secure it. And here I am seriously looking for my loose end or something, and I can't find it. So it's a very simple style. Just make sure yours is actually neater than mine. I didn't think I was comfortable with the way it was looking, so I had to remove it and look for somewhere or some way to achieve something else that would look more better than the previous one. So I think I got that, and here we are. As simple as ABC. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure some of you are going to recreate this. When you do, don't forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is @makeupbyeva. Like that is makeupby_AVA_. So here we go. It's as simple as this. Let me know where you would wear this very beautiful hairstyle to. Just drop it down in the comment section and I'll say it there. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and if you've not, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video, and make sure you're staying safe. Bye.